Hey everybody, I'm really quickly going to go through playlist 5 with you guys for The Outsiders. I'm going to go to classwork and find playlist 5. So underneath playlist 5, it should look like this. There should be two things that you see on underneath that topic. The first one being the actual playlist itself. This is what it looks like. Our goals this week, there's 3 of them. All equally important. So I'm going to go through that in a second, but it's also important to note that this week there is no school on Friday, and on Tuesday we're actually doing our math state assessments. So just so you guys are aware that on Friday we do not have school, and on Tuesday we have our state assessment. So really we have 3 days in this class that we're doing work. So our goals this week are that you guys can develop characters throughout a story, also that you guys write incomplete sentences, or you can show me that you can clearly convey the answers to the questions that I give you. And the last one that we've been talking about a little bit lately is just that you can analyze the theme of The Outsiders. So what is S.E. Hinton really trying to tell us in this book, in this chapter this week? What is the message that you guys are supposed to be getting? So Monday, like always, is our iReady day. So you guys need to make sure that you get your 30 minutes of time on task, or that you pass a lesson. So the reason why there's a 30-minute cap is basically because some of your lessons are long and it will take you more than 30 minutes to do them. So I don't want to penalize you for the length of your lesson. So if you have a short lesson this week and it only takes you 10 minutes or it only takes you 18 minutes, then that's all you need to do is be able to pass the lesson. Tuesday and Wednesday are direct instruction days. Tuesday is really that math state assessment, and so you're just going to be doing that the whole class time, so I still included that in direct instruction, but there will be very little instruction from me. It's basically you guys working. Wednesday is the day that we're going to come together and we're going to update our character map. And what we're basically going to be doing this week is adding those important quotes because we haven't really added them to our character map. Independent work, this should only last maybe half the class time, and then you'll start reading chapter 9 afterwards. So essentially you'll have more than just Thursday to work on this list, but here you're going to review the questions from chapter 9, and you're going to do the dialectical journal entry. You're also going to do the questions just like what we have been doing. So basically you read chapter 9, do the dialectical journal entry and comprehension questions. When you're done with this, because I believe a lot of you guys will probably get done with this before the end of Thursday, your responsibility is to, or your next step is to go to the May Do's, and down here there are several options of things that you can do to further your understanding of The Outsiders. The creative one is the one that I really want to explain, and it looks like this. And so you are going to go ahead and essentially pick a character and then write a poem about that character. So from your own perspective, like what type of character is this character, that kind of thing. That's your creative option for this week. Newsella would be a bunch of articles that help you understand certain things that are going on throughout the text. So for example, there's a 1960s essay or like article in there. There is an article about conflicts and also how to deal with conflict in a healthy way. There's also a couple of them about gangs and what they really mean and represent. So they're pretty cool. So I would check them out. iReady, you can do another lesson on iReady if you want to. And then the last one is vocabulary.com, which this is kind of like a competition of how many points you can get, how many vocab words can you do, that kind of thing. And I have linked the Outsiders set, so all of the sets are by chapters, like 1 and 2, 3 and 4, that kind of thing. So it'll actually help you on reading the Outsiders and understanding them as well, or that as well. If you guys have any questions, please let me know.